Today I'll tell you how to set the dining table. Though there are different settings of dining table like formal dining table setting, informal dining table setting, etc. But this is the basic setting of dining table. All the utensils are placed in order in which they are used. First one placed on the outside. Example, salad fork is placed on the outermost edge of the left side before the dining fork. All the utensils should be placed about an inch from the edge of table and lined up evenly from the bottom end. If we keep it like this is wrong. The correct way is to place like this. Fork placed on the left side of main service plate. So these two forks, first salad fork and then dining fork. If we use dessert fork, then it has to be placed above the service plate. Knife should be placed on the right side of the plate with the cutting edge facing inwards towards the service plate. And spoon used first so that it is kept on the outer side. Dessert spoon placed above the service plate. These two should be placed like this only. If we place the spoon like this is wrong. Spoon should be placed like this. And while setting the table, we have to keep in our mind that the utensils which are used only should be displayed. If we are not using soup, or if we are not serving soup, then no need of serving bowl or serving spoon, etc. During eating the meal, what are the indications? If the diner, means the person who is eating its meal, if the person is keeping fork and knife like this, it shows then he or she is taking a pause. Eating is not finished. And if fork and knife are kept like this, it shows that meal is finished. Now I hope that you all keep all these things, small things, basic things in your mind and use them in your daily life.